In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to make money online using ChatGPT. This is not theory. These are real methods people are using right now in 2026. Let's get into it. The easiest way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering simple digital services. For example, writing blog posts, creating TikTok scripts, making YouTube video scripts, writing product descriptions for businesses. These are things companies and creators need every day. Let's say you choose YouTube scripts. You go to ChatGPT and type, "Write a viral YouTube script about making money online for beginners." And instantly, you get a full script ready to sell. You can also improve it by saying, "Make it more engaging." Add emotional hooks, make it shorter or longer. This saves you hours of work. Now you take your service and sell it on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or even faster, TikTok, Outreach, Instagram, DM to small creators, Reddit business groups. I will write a viral YouTube script using AI for $10 to $30 per script. If you do 5 to 10 orders per day, you can easily reach $100 per day. Once you get your first clients, increase your prices, deliver faster. Using ChatGPT, create templates for repeat work. Now you're not trading time for money, you're scaling a system. The real secret is not ChatGPT, it's how fast you take action. Most people watch videos like this and do nothing, but the people who win start today. If you want more step-by-step ways to make money online with AI and side hustles, subscribe to Hustle Academy. New videos every week showing real ways to build income online.